Good morning. Welcome to this short, guided meditation. Close your eyes and let's begin with a deep breath in. Hold and release. Gently stretch your arms out to the side and hold for a moment. Now, bring your hands to the center of your body and place them on your chest or stomach, and just rest in this position. Breathe in deeply and release. Now, slowly lift your arms towards the sky and gently stretch as if you're trying to touch the ceiling above. Draw your hands to the center of your body and place them on your stomach. As you continue to rest in this position of peace, notice the soft rise and fall of your chest and stomach. Slowly repeat the following affirmation. I can handle my to-do list with ease and grace. Thank you for honoring your self-care today, and may you have a pleasant day that is filled with goodness.